In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT to Facebook Messenger using Zapier. This method is not only quick, but also incredibly simple. It's a fantastic setup if you're looking to automate replies, streamline your messaging process, or link your chatbot workflow to Messenger without the need to build everything from scratch. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. To get started, the first step is to open up the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the search bar at the top. There, you'll want to type in how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT with Facebook Messenger. After you've typed that out, press Enter. This search should lead you to a variety of results. Now, you'll be looking for the link that reads something like Facebook Messenger ChatGPT OpenAI Integration by Zapier. That's the workflow page we need. So go ahead and click on this link to open the page. Once the page loads, keep an eye on it for an option that says Connect these apps. You'll want to click that button to kick off the setup process. At this point, Zapier is going to prompt you to choose your first app. Click on Facebook Messenger. After you do that, you'll be required to sign in to your Facebook account. It's important to allow access so that Zapier can connect to Messenger properly. Make sure you're using the correct Facebook account that you want to link to this automation. Once you've successfully connected Facebook Messenger, we'll move to the next step, which is adding ChatGPT. So go ahead and click on the ChatGPT option, and then select Add Account. This step will allow Zapier to establish a connection with your OpenAI or ChatGPT account, enabling it to access Messenger through this workflow you are setting up. Follow the prompts carefully. When you see a sign-in request for your OpenAI account, make sure to enter your credentials and approve the connection. This step is crucial as it establishes the bridge between your ChatGPT and Facebook Messenger. After both apps are connected, Zapier will navigate you to the next step of this process. At this point, you will simply want to click the button that says Build It. This action signals to Zapier that you're ready to create the integration and continue setting up the automation. And just like that, you've now connected OpenAI ChatGPT with Facebook Messenger using Zapier. You're well on your way to customizing your workflow and utilizing it for automating messages. But wait, there's still more. Now that you have the connection established, you can further personalize how your ChatGPT interacts in Messenger. Maybe you want it to respond to specific keywords or create a sequence of messages that guide users through a conversation. The possibilities are endless. Play around with the settings to see what works best for your needs. If this video helped clarify the process for you, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Your support really makes a difference and helps us continue to create content